Yeah. But the issue is me buy my baby so. At the end, I see you used to say there be a problem. No man, na systems ni na wo hot that.
So that is deliberate, eh?
Well, if some you can say that
a deliberate effort.
Yes, of course. So
from leadership to perpetuate that crime.
Now, the SARS savings na ya ni nyina no. Idea Ghana finance minister who kwan say oh, says ka must save in the last 4 months and I said this year nyina no. I can dedicate that funding to help the national service allowance or for the military training.
Okay. That's fine. Good to know. Good to know. Now, so national service issue, now, what was he saying?
Well, see, I said the national service, a public institution. Sorry, I see a coijuma, a small mine. And now, in Crawford, Sebi, I committed crime, allegedly.
I like the word.
Yes, I buy new more a delete. I know you are buying money. Yes, you are buying Juma. So from the word go, I wanted to keep those separate.
Matthias. But it sends some signals. But it sends some signals to you and your other workers over there.
Of course.
Strong signal.
Yes. So be on my money in our train.
Obia help power. What you do out here? There's Obia help. Obia help.
You know what? I like that because I want the attention that I'm getting. About the 8,000 acres of maize that I'm leading National Service to do this year. About the 200 or 400 acres of tomato that we are doing this year. I have increased our bed capacity from Papao from a mere 2,005 to about 100,000. The first 20,000 is ready.
Wow.
The first 20,000 is ready. Tomu and then and Ubi by Sobema is coming. No. So we should go out. The first 20,000. You buy them say 4 weeks ni. Omumu do naka krep ni anya 2.1.
Wow.
And we can sell them. You know what? I'm bringing young people around Papao, Madina, ni adadina to come work with us. They can also have their own farms. Sad they know a bit media baby. But say ghosting. I have told all directors, region, districts. Say you know what? National Service. Yes.
Sompa FM is everywhere. Sabro munyina be 80. So but some boss Abraham kwan there. Omo 80. Ke bibi chiro mo fa futu mo.
No, I've met them. Mashia district director be on National Service be I'm buy from now. I have given them quotas. So you know what? We have to move National Service personnel from the public service or the public sector to the private sector. This year, in the last 8 years, we had an average of 14%. This year, I'm saying that we should achieve a parity, 50% public sector,
50% private sector.
Because we call public sector, with national service we are, which takes too long for somebody to looking for work.
Sure.
But in the call private sector, okay, be a film you know me and say cheap. We national service are no one year. Oko private sector, a mouth boom skills, they train you until between the stars, so you not more baby. But public sector no, ebi a sabi cocoa board busa say here nipa 50. Nipa 50 na omo cocoa board no. Na MP say no, minipa we oboa me. Chinchina fa ne cocoa board. Assemblyman fa ne cocoa board.
It's that number I bloated.
Tipa nipa 50 na fa 500 ko. Obekọ na muti duase. Enne nipa 200 ko adwuma na otwe.
Yeah.
No more akotena fie.
Yeah.
Then nipa 200. That is not national service. Sabi omo a year say e bo omo no crampo no. Ya moa omo. Ye di omo nya. This year, let's send all those people to the private sector. In the service, so ton car parts or was so kind also here will be your year accountant. So that way you'll be keep records, see your book here. National Service will send you that person. You pay that person. Well, I hope that pay goes up soon. In this 1,000 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And I say, utu 1,000 you are no my National Service 20%. You beat me to say 20% now. You been from national these companies no. And no na me so say SCF ya DB eto yakatuem ye de be allowances not ghost names no amanfo ani nye dan
ba fe na mate ase se bia me wa hai bi be ho ye mfanto se bia me wa hai se be ko national service na bia makonya spare part shop bi abusu kan minimum accountant entina me bookkeeping man entina obusu me no so a depend on me juma man
exactly
now we try make about 1,000 not the 20% our bread national service scheme now scheme no so at the sales can at the
exactly
that's wonderful,
you know, so that we can
we're solid,
we can raise millions of Ghana cedis.
But sales can be ba mo nchen about accountability no
so far no ye jide dawo but ye you know enam say 14% nti enko animu
but have you ever putting out those figures there you know is it in the public domain?
You know, we report it.
You report it.
The government of Ghana and man national service sika say ye de be ye we near the ye way. So we almost say sika free. Sky ye project is ye benya na fi no. Almost say sika free. Ye nkonta mo crown pans na government am iska.
Wow, okay.
So that money this year, if we can increase it to 70-80 million, national service with me at one cars, national service with me at NCC and one office. I have said that this year I can give very good bonus to national service staff, 550 of us nationwide.
Wow!
So that everybody can begin
say
to
that
move
again.
From.
Say that it's newsworthy.
No, I have told them.
No, but it's newsworthy for us.
I have told them. We can give them very good bonuses.
Bonuses?
Yes. So that you know
almost staff.
Yes, so that we can move away from the ghost names. That is when we can begin to build the institution to be strong.
Are there more national service secretariat who are offices across the country? No, music editor
yes, and you'll be saying salary ninja. What kind of national service director?
We are range.
Yes, but you see,
you're going to say, "We'll be all district."
My age 15 years. I just
want to ask okay. 10,000.
Oh, opening. Kase fan. Oh, kase fan.
5,000.
Unya.
Director General.
No, I'm saying that now that
district director. Okay, district director. Okay, that's about 5,000 cedis.
Yes, district director. A public service account. Yaya authority.
Okay.
Authority now means that we can do things on our own. We can even go off government near there. This is the beginning.
Wow.
See, to me, it could be a 60%, 70% national service. We can put them on the private sector. You bet me in your scar, Ama Sebe. I know be brave. Na machiro bia mako around the country. My mad district office bia quota.
Wow.
Say a fee woo. Last year now the nipa 20 in a buy. This year that's what the nipa 200.
Wow.
Accra now kuta nipa 1,000. This year that's what the nipa 4,000 buy.
Sure.
Yeah, yes, and no be a what takwa in Soyamud municipal district. Them say a fee that's what the 4,000 ever. Because there are lots of mining companies go to them, talk to them. So now it's more like business.
But one made me swallow me was a national service traveling from Ejura to Nkranza. Ejura Farms. And now Ejura Farms is no more. And is it within your
national
plans?
Service this year? We are doing 500 acres of maize at Ejura boom this year. This morning, we checked on our platform. We have done the first 80. First 80.
Oh, you can just go
first 80 acres. Yeah, plant here. The aka I see a best 480 no. We can nana no mama I said first you can year for honum from 2011.
Yeah.
You're Vincent Kwagbenu time.
Yeah, Kwagbenu.
You see me call my son, your son by my son my assassin.
Spasa we want so much to biton.
Oh, that was say no you buy nana my son their mind. It's a beautiful place.
Oh yes. I know the place personally.
Bruno. Eba from Kakra, so mo pese mo ko jan, mo pese the videos ne bremo. We'll do it.
Yeah, we would love it. We'll love it.
Yes.
So that mo be call if you invite us.
Yes.
We'll go with you and
yinkwa enye
Ejura
nkwa. Nche honwa Donkron Kwanta.
Nkranza.
Yeah, Donkron Kwanta.
Yeah.
We've started 300 acres. We ensure so very soon we'll be planting.
Wow.
Kumewu, we are looking at about getting to 5,000 acres of maize. Ho Johnny and the other.
Yeah.
And you started bibi kakra wo. Your friend said Kwamoso.
Yeah.
We are hoping that we'll get to 3,000 acres of land. And I'm seeing a fee. Say nyame man ho den nsuo to ye ni ade. ya bura edua o ayi kuma wukura de asati fifi de da.
Wow.
Ansana nkokɔ no ansana tomatoes no ansana.
So it's part of the feed Ghana project.
Our company my home a bruni fertilizer be for 8,000 acres. Nti afi say ya nya hwe kura no. Your company di my ne de e be dua ni nyina ma ni nyina fifi atwa ni nyina.
Bedase. Where you better was pass obaye but you say as and when wejuma no air coso no. Now we've built that partnership, Sompa and National Service Authority.
Thank you so much.
Yes, we've built a partnership. So anytime you are welcome to this particular
Thank you so
enclave.
Much.
If there is any communication you feel, say, I will say, thing now the bringer, we'll propagate that for you.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Me fa mangwanza kwa konya say yewo bet see am ready. But 10,000
bet
yes brothers papa hacho nkoko na ready ye duomo ba omo na mo nkoko nketen say omo akasi
the boy by saying market price na and am dey mo bet so kakra
no yeah turn for say the be obi abet me to be cheap so the be 100 Ghana cedis be bring you bet to be am
okay but before I will let you go say sky national service for you.
Oh,
because but do the magic.
Do
the magic.
No, me buy office within 2 weeks. I wrote to the Minister of Finance. I met with the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission. The letters are there.
Okay.
Now, and normally brilliant. The bad on things is here. But very soon they will hear something.
Oh, okay.
And I'm really on it.
Well, good news. Good news. Well, the region for you better was pass by. And then we want to wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming on the show. All right, so Sompa 106.5 FM. Yema aketuapa for God and country. Jumedi no sunye. Na yeni abema ora Jenfi or the Director General for the National Service Authority and artist seminano AD and Komono. Mamen kosisia benya ora DEA. Say mo no senate but before that no National Service. Wow.
I don't know that I fan call.